Hey guys, if you still haven't subscribed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more updates. Hello and welcome to Be Vocal with Anveksha. And today we are in conversation with the director who makes web series filled with tender emotions. The director who achieved success at very young age. The director who has made a web series like Loser, which is the most watched Telugu web series running successfully on ZEE5. So please welcome the filmmaker, the director Abhilash Reddy. Okay, hi and welcome, and a big congratulations to you for the success of Loser. It has still been the most watched Telugu web series on ZEE5 and it's still running successfully. And I just wanted to say a dialogue in Telugu. Ela unnaru?
Yes, yes. I'm fine, I'm good. So how are you?
Because I'm great. Because I was in
Yeah.
Hyderabad for like 3 years, but I could learn a very little of Telugu there.
Mm.
So I have a
Yeah.
lot of Telugu friends. So yeah, I just thought of starting it with that. Anyway, so how are you doing? I hope your family is safe and you are
Yes, yes,
safe in
everyone
this
was safe
lockdown.
here. So, so, so what about you? Like,
Okay,
you people are
so
safe, right? There.
yeah, I'm definitely safe. I was quite stuck in Mumbai for like 2 months, but later I like came to
Yeah.
my hometown and now we are safe. Okay, so I will
Yes, yes.
not waste much of your time and let's get back to the questions directly. So my first
Yeah.
question with you would be, what in the script inspired you to direct this web series?
So basically, it's the characters. If you see, did you see Loser with the subtitles? So, did you see Loser with the subtitles or like?
Yeah. I understand a little Telugu, but I watched it
Yeah.
with subtitles definitely. And I
Okay.
have
So
personally
coming.
liked all the characters, the way.
Hmm. So basically, if you see the Loser, the characters that was engaging, like when we wrote the script. That was the characters. I think the point like we wanted to tell in loser story. So the two losers making a guy winning. So that was the basic point that everyone liked. And yeah, it along with me there were other two writers. I think Shravan and Bharadwaj. So we three wrote the script.
Yeah, and I read it somewhere
Hmm.
in your interview that you said that I wanted an actors who looked more like
Hmm.
strugglers. So what is the
Hmm.
story behind that? I just want to know.
See, I wanted to like the sense like why did I tell is that because if you see all the scenes for all the characters, they struggle. So it's easy for me to explain the scene. When I tell them the scene, they're easy to understand because they know what is struggle. So that was my
Yeah.
reason behind it. So it becomes easy for a director to convey the emotion for them. So yeah, that is how
Okay.
like it works, and everyone is liking it now. It feels happy, and people are like saying that after seeing Loser, they got hope in their life, and yeah, what do you want as a director, as a writer, like so it feels happy. Yeah.
Exactly, because all the three stories running parallelly are very inspiring
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
most of us in life want to do something else
Hmm.
in life and we end up
Hmm.
doing something else because of some pressure in life. But yeah,
Hmm.
this story is like really brilliant. The three stories running parallelly
Hmm.
and portrayed
Hmm.
brilliantly. So that was, even
Hmm.
I don't understand Telugu much, but I like the web series very much, all the characters. And so my question was like, was it challenging for you to get out the characters from the actors? Like, was it tough for you?
Yes, yes, it was tough because if you see all the like, it is a sports drama, right? So people have to like, they have to get the training done. So people know about the badminton and cricket, most of us, but air rifle is the game which no one knows because we had very less material to research on the internet. So what we did
Yeah.
was there was a coach called Neelakant who helped us, and it was difficult for actor to do it. So if you see Priyadarshi went for like trying for 1 month, more than a month I think. So he got a certificate also. I think he posted yesterday in his Instagram saying that.
Yeah.
So it was difficult for actors too. And if you see there are like good actors. Like if you see all the actors were very senior. And
Yes,
the
yes.
only tough thing that was to learn the game And apart from that, I think yeah, so everything was
Yeah,
like it went
I
very.
mean
Mm,
it is said true that the hard work pays off because the result is very
mm,
fruitful. It is still running
mm.
successfully. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yeah.
coming to the next question,
Mm,
like, are you
mm.
only focusing on the OTT platforms, or like you are preferable for other platforms also in future?
Yes, I'd see the next couple of years, I think OTTs will emerge because of this COVID. I think people are like used to see OTTs, but I definitely like I'll come to OTTs, but next time doing a film, I think the announcement will come soon with a production house.
Oh,
But I'll definitely do for a OTTs if I get a nice script. If you see for OTT, the script is very important. I feel personally, so we should have the script that will engage the audience because in OTT, if you see, the people can easily change it if they don't like. In cinemas
yeah,
and all, if they come, they have to sit for 2 hours. They have to bear the story if they don't like it also. But in OTT, that chance we cannot take it. I think
yeah.
I'll
So
definitely do it for OTTs, and the script should be like yeah. So,
yeah, so it's definitely a very good news for your fans and our viewers that you're coming up with something
no,
big
don't say fans, sir. I don't
next.
have any fans.
No, no, no.
Like
You will soon have fans. Don't
I'm
worry.
no, no, no.
Yeah, so it's really a good
Yeah.
news. My next question was about that only, that what are
Hmm.
your next projects coming up?
Hmm.
But
I
if
explained
you
it.
have
I
any
think I
more,
gave the answer
yeah,
before it. Yeah.
yeah.
So what did you
And
like in the web
I
series?
just
Which character did you like? Like, can I ask one thing? Which character did you like in web series? Like, there are three,
I
four
like
characters, I think.
the badminton player's character. So
Ruby.
because
Hmm.
being a girl, I like it. I mean, believe it or not, but it's more challenging for girls to
Hmm.
live their
Hmm.
lives and live their
Hmm.
dreams.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
honestly, I like that Ruby's character more.
Hmm.
I liked all the characters, but preferable was you Ruby's.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Yeah, so many
So
people are
I just
connected to Ruby
wanted to
character.
know that.
Hmm.
Yeah, because
Hmm.
it's a true fact that it still happens in real life. All these things are still
Hmm.
happening in real life, and
Hmm.
people are have
Hmm.
changed their mindset, but not at all. But I hope this will
Hmm.
give some message to people, and they will change a bit more. So,
Hmm.
what was first? I want to ask: did you have a struggling life to become a filmmaker at all, or like you just got it in
Yeah,
like
there were struggles.
just?
No, 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 no. There was struggle. It's not for me. It's my entire team that was struggling. Uh, so I think after I did my masters in Annapurna Film School 3 years back. I passed out in 2017. So after that, I faced some like
Yeah.
all the people in industry like face some issues, right? So after that, I did an web series called Ekkadiki Pari, which everyone like our friends in like invested money in it. Then after that, I think that was a decent people like so many people could not see because of the that Z5 came like before like 1 month before the release of our series. And after that, I pitched to Annapurna Studios and it went. I think yeah, there were struggles, but yeah, I think now I think I moved on from it. I feel very happy now.
Yeah, once you achieve the goal you want, struggles like can be ignored somewhere. Okay, so
Yeah.
next question with you would be like, what made you pursue filmmaking?
So like, so there's no like definite answer for it, but I used to see a lot of movies in the childhood. Like I'm a big fan of Chiranjeevi sir and Pawan Kalyan sir. So I stay in
Yeah.
Bangalore till 10th. I used to come to Hyderabad in the summer holidays and I used to see their movies. So and after my 10th standard, I think I shifted to Hyderabad. Then I used to tell some stories to my relatives and friends. I think from there some people encouraged me and after it, I think in my graduation, I think I felt like okay, it's time like to tell stories to a bigger audience. Then I did some short films with my friends with the whatever the camera which I had with me, and my friends and family helped me out. So yeah, that was there's no like a triggering point or something which made me to come to films. So yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, as a filmmaker, as a director, would you like to suggest something the newcomers, like the students or the youngsters who are looking
Hmm.
forward to pursue their career in filmmaking or direction? So, can you
Hmm.
suggest something if you want to, like, guide them with something? I would want to
So,
know that.
so I'm not that person to guide them because I'm then like I just entered into the industry just now. But I'll only
Yeah.
tell one thing that we should have a confidence. So there's so much of negativity around. People try to like say that you're not fit for the industry, but we should believe in our friends. Basically, we should have a nice team. The people around you, trust them, trust yourself. I think definitely, like your story will be teaching to the people one day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and while reading about you, I read somewhere
Hmm.
that you are
Hmm.
like you prefer more to newcomers, like you like
Hmm.
newcomers more, which is a very good quality nowadays
Hmm.
because a lot of people are struggling in this
Hmm.
field. All of us know that, and
Hmm.
directors like you who are willing to give chance to newcomers, that's a really great news for like all of us newcomers. So I just wanted to know that in your future projects, are you like planning to take some new cast, non-famous
It, yeah,
artist?
it's not famous or something. It depends on the story. If you say I'm also newcomer, so I'm not in a stage where I can give like don't like you told very big words, but yeah, because it depends on the story here. So it's not new or something. I don't prefer the like names. This depends on story. If the story demands, it will go with the newcomers. It's basically a talent. It should come with the script. So yeah, that is how it works for me and all my team. All my team is like newcomers. So we never worked in industry before. So I never did any assistant to anyone. But I used to see films of them who I'm inspired, and from there I learned it. So I'm also newcomer still. I'm not like established yet in industry or something, which I know everything in industry or everything in filmmaking. I'm also still learning. We are in a learning process now. I think a lot of things will change after this COVID has happened. So I think, yeah, I'm also still learning, but I tell them like, trust yourself, write the story well. I think the story should speak, the writing should be good. That's what I tell them. Yeah.
Yeah, but we all see a bright future of yours because this is just your second web series and you're
Hmm.
doing really
Hmm.
great. I think the
Hmm.
first one was Ikkadki E Parugu.
Yeah,
Correct
correct.
me if
Keep
I'm
go. Yeah,
wrong.
yeah. Yes, yes, it's correct. It's correct. You pronounce it well. Yeah.
I haven't watched that series, but coming up with the second series and giving it a super hit. So I think, and we all think that you have a really bright future ahead, and we wish you all the best for your upcoming projects. So thank you
Yes.
so much, Abhilash ji, for being
Thank
with
you
us.
so much. And
For
this is the first interview. Like this is the first install I am giving to you. Really, I don't come to talk to the people because like I feel like I'm still learning. I'm in a process of learning. So better I learn properly than I speak. Or I can give something to the people if I know everything. So this is the first install I'm giving. Yeah, you should be. I don't know like what did you get from me, but yeah, I hope like.
Thank you so
Okay,
much because I am
yeah.
also looking for young people doing good in life. So
Hmm.
yeah, that's why I wanted to interview you.
Hmm.
That's why I tried every possible way to interview you since it's the
Thanks.
running
Hmm.
trend, like it's a
Hmm.
successful series. So yeah, and thank you so much for
Yes.
taking out time for me for our channel and being
Yeah,
with
yes.
us.
Thank you
All
so
the
much,
best.
Anu.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. Thank you so
Abhilash.
much. Yeah, I'll do this. Be safe. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Take care and
Thank you.
be
Bye.
safe.
Yeah. Bye.
Alright, guys, this was the filmmaker, the director Abhilash Reddy in conversation with Be Vocal with Anuveksha. Hey guys, we are coming up with a lot of interesting interviews. So if you haven't subscribed till now, please go like, share, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more updates. Ta-da!